Hello, dear students. How are you? You all may be fine. So, today we are going to start with our new chapter for grammar, that is uh, root, prefix, and suffix. Now, first we will see the first part, that is root. That is root word. Now, what do you mean by root word? A root word is a base word without any word part added to the beginning or the end, and it has an independent word, can also stand for on its own. Okay, now it doesn't have any beginning word or end word. We will see the example also, and it always stands for its, means it has its own meaning. For example, angle and friend. Okay, these are what? These are the root word. Now if now angle, you know what is angle and you know what is friend. Okay, so now let us see the next part, that is prefix. Now first we will see the meaning of prefix, that is what is prefix. A prefix is a word part that comes before the root word. Now see, angle, the word was given over there. Okay, that was a root word, and if some words are added before it, see the example, angle. Okay, this was what? This was the root word. Now if we put some words before it, for example, try plus angle, that is equal to triangle. Now see, try, tri is what? Prefix, and angle is what? Root word. So this is the meaning of prefix. So, and prefix and suffix have their meanings also, have their own meanings. They can change the meaning of root word, and it changed the meaning of root word. Okay, we had seen how the angle has defined into triangle. Now see the prefix marine. Marine is what? It is a root word. Okay, now marine means what? Related to water. Okay, if we add prefix to it, for example, submarine. Now what do you mean by submarine? A vessel navigated under water. You know submarine is what? Okay, now so this is what? This is prefix. Prefix can change the meaning of a word, so it can change the meaning of the word. For example, disconnect, imbalance, incorrect, unhappy. Okay, a prefix is a letter or a group of letter added to the beginning of a word to change its meaning and make a new word. Example, appear, disappear, tidy, untidy, violence, non-violence, replaceable, irreplaceable, caution, precaution, ordinary, extraordinary, make, remake. So by adding prefix, we can also form the endterms. Endterms means what? Opposite of many words, as we had seen backside the different words. So if prefix are added to the root word, the meaning of the root word changes, and prefix has its own meaning. And second thing, by adding prefix, we can also form the endterms of many words. Okay, so let us see more example for opposite words, that is endterms. See on the screen. Mature, immature, active, inactive, agree, disagree, lock, unlock. Okay, now let us start with our second topic, that is suffix. Okay, first we will see what is the meaning of suffix. A suffix is a word part that comes after the root word. Now we had seen about the prefix, it comes before. Now this suffix comes after the root word. Okay, it comes afterwards. For example, we will see one example, then it will be very clear for you. See on the screen, friend. Now if we add some words after the word friend, see, friend plus ship, that is friendship. So friend is your root word, and ship, that is what? Suffix. So it makes a new word, that is friendship. Okay. Now as I told you in beginning only, prefix and suffix have their own meaning. Okay, and they can change the meaning of the root word. We had seen this in prefix also. So let us see one example again. Root word kind. Kind means what? Generous, attitude. Okay. Now if we add NESS, that is, the word will change to kindness. What is the meaning of it? The quality of being kind. Okay, I hope you have understood till here. So a syllable or a word part added to the end of a word is called a suffix. So some syllables means words, letters, if added at the end of the word so it will change into suffix. Let us see more examples. See, teach plus er, teacher. Play, full. Dependable, home, less. Okay, so a suffix has its own meaning, that also we had seen. Now let us see the some suffix like able, less, etc. are words too. Okay, ABL, LESS. Some endonyms are formed by adding suffix to words. If we add some words to the suffix, then endonyms means opposites are also formed. For example, pain plus full, painful. Pain plus less, painless. So painful, painless. Okay, so these are the opposites for suffix. See, by adding suffix, we can form nouns from adjective, nouns from verbs, adjectives from noun, adverb from adjectives, and so on. That is, we can interchange the part of speech. This is called word building, and it is called word building. Okay, when the part of speeches are changes. For example, ugly is an adjective. Ugliness, then it becomes what? Noun. Depend, verb. Dependable, it becomes adjective. Happy, adjective. Happily, it becomes adverb. Govern, verb. Government, that becomes noun. Hope, noun. Hopeful, adjective. So if one part of speech is there, one part of speech, it changes into different part of speech. By adding suffix, we can change the part of speech also. So it is known as word building. Okay, I hope you have understood this topic. So if you can't understand, you can see again this video. Thank you and have a nice day.